Not going to keep you long at all today. Really beautiful, easy chickpea salad. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. So very, very easy and beautiful. What we've got here is 2 cups of cooked chickpeas. I'm using mine from a can. If you're going to use from a can, give them a nice wash through in some cold water. And then these are about a cup each. So what we've got is tomato, cucumber, grated carrots, bell peppers, and some green onions. And then here I've got maybe 2 tablespoons of cilantro or coriander, and then lemon juice and olive oil. So I've got about 3 tablespoons here of olive oil and 1 of lemon juice. Bit of salt and pepper, mix it up, job done. So I have a mixing bowl, the chickpeas are in, we're gonna add the cucumber, the tomato, the bell peppers, the grated carrot, the green onions, the coriander, and the dressing of olive oil and lemon juice. Little bit of salt, little bit of black pepper. Now if you want, you could get some chopped ginger in that, nice and small, or garlic. I'm keeping it just beautifully simple today. All I'm going to do is give that a mix, and we've got ourselves a really beautiful little salad. And there you have it, really, really simple and absolutely beautiful. Lovely little chickpea salad. I'll see you soon. Take care. Keep safe. Keep well. Lots of love.